Hi all, this is Swati Wagh, and I'm going to walk you through to the basic searches in SciFinder N. You don't have to go and search for patents as a separate database. This is all in one basic search. You can do everything. So here is one I'm going to do starting from. This, for SciFinder, when you click on references, that's your topic search. Like if your topic is on Flint water crisis, this is where you would put in your query, Flint water crisis, and search from there. That's an example. Suppose you want to find out something about peptides. You can put in there. It's like say peptides. Okay, and then you say search. You'll get tons of stuff. Okay. And the way to limit it to patents is by document type. So you click on this and you see that there are 211K. That's a lot of patents in for peptides. And then you can search for English, Chinese, whatever, publication year. And then I wanted you to search on organization or here, because I want to know who is doing research in peptides, okay? And then when you find under organization, these are the people that are doing, and say view all, okay? And here is what you will get, a synopsis of who is doing what. And then you will find which countries are the ones that are doing the most in this subject. And you will be surprised to see that it is China who is the premier patentee in this endeavor. So my question was just to tell you how competitive everything is in the world today, because other countries are catching up with us, okay? That's the basic reason why I asked you to do this search. Then once you don't have to go to patent pack or anything to do your search. If you want to see the patent, you can see it right here. This is the patent. And if you click on this, you can see synthetic peptides for the detection of AIDS. You'll get the full text of the patent right here if it is available, right? And then it gives you the history. These are the important things in patents, like priority application and all of that, which gives the claim a status. If somebody else comes, they will look at this to find out who put in the patent first application. And then the concepts and the substances. See, peptides comes as a concept, and that's why it came up. And then under substances, you'll know what substances they're talking about. These are all the substances. You don't have to worry about this, but this is FYI kind of thing, okay? The other part that I'm going to talk about is also different ways of searching the database. I've done the topic search, right? Now I can do an author search if I want, okay? And then I will go and look for under references. If I know the author's name, I'm going to put Ran Mahoti. Okay, you know him. He is one of the professors in Governor State. So this is where I'm going to put his name and then search for him. And just like I did with the Web of Science, I found that there were a lot of different variant spellings for John Sova. There's a reason why I asked you to do him, because he goes John Sova Jr., John R. Sova Jr. And since his father is a chemist too, most of the publications under John R. Sova you will find under his father and him. And that's the reason why you have to be careful about putting the correct format for those. So let me try that again here. I know it's in your question, but I'll answer it anyway. I'm going to put John R. Sova, okay? And then I will say search, author name, enter last name here, Sova, and then I put John R. And it gives you junior, right? So I'm going to put junior. And these are all the variant spellings for John R. And then you don't know his middle name, so you can ask for his middle name. If it is Robert, you can put him too. All these are going to be put in an OR statement, okay? So this, I have to do the, let me see, John R. Sober Jr., and then see what I get, okay? It just gives whatever he has done. And the other way to find out if this is the same person is you put the organization name. And if you put Department of Chemistry, he used to be here, that I know. So I'm going to do this, and see how many I get. When he was in Seton Hall. But now he's in Governor State University, so you can put by organization and do that search. It just limits you to the person you want from, and then find a kind of a employment history from these searches, okay? So the next I'm going to show you how to do a go back here and then look under substances. I did search on aspirin. I told you how to do that, right? And then reactions you don't have to do because that's not for this year. It is going to be in your next year's chemistry major course if you're taking chemistry major, okay? So we'll leave it at that. Suppliers, I showed you how to do it. And tomorrow you're going to be asking me questions on how to do the searches in SciFinder, and I'm going to walk you through. It's unfortunate you cannot get to this structure search. I sent you the link to do the video tutorials from SciFinder. I hope you can access it. If you cannot access it, you have to let me know now. But I will tell you how to go there. You can do a Google search and go to SciFinder tutorials and you'll find it there in structure search. SciFinder structure search. And I'm going to put tutorial here. Real. Okay. And there are many of them. Introduction to part 2. This is from other places, but I want to do from structure search using this. This is not what I want, but substance search in SciFinder here. Here, this is where I want you to go. SciFinder training video, structure searching in CAS.org. That is where you will find all the training videos and go through them. These are excellent, you know, and that is how we all learned how to do SciFinder searching. No, I didn't go to any class. No classes are offered. This is the only way you're going to learn how to do it. And here is where you will see the software that will come up. And takes you to SciFinder, not SciFinder N. That's the difference, okay?
To conduct a SciFinder substance or reaction search.
This is where you will go.
You can draw a structure using the tools in SciFinder's drawing editor, or search a structure that you drew in another drawing application, or automatically draw a structure by starting with the CAS registry number, or SMILES, or INCHI string. In SciFinder, we'll click Chemical Structure, and then click the Structure Editor box to open the drawing editor. We can draw any molecule we wish by using the tools along the bottom and left side of the window. I'll introduce some of the most commonly used drawing tools here, but please note that the rest are explained in greater detail in resources found on the SciFinder training page of the CAS website.
So I think this is briefly what I wanted to show you today. Prepare you for tomorrow. I'm going to send out the Zoom invite in a few minutes. So 11 o'clock tomorrow. I hope to see you all there, okay? And come with your questions. Don't stand, just don't sit silent there. Ask me questions. That is what this session is for. Instead of you wasting your time trying to figure out things, just wait and I'll do it tomorrow, okay? Thank you. And if you want more time, just let me know. Structure searches are not due till next week, so you'll be fine, okay? And talk to you. Once structure searches are over, then you're almost done with the whole course because the most important part is SciFinder searching, okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.